Hello, kids. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you all. How are you today? How are you? Are you happy? Yes, you're happy. Me too. I am happy. Very good. Okay. What's the weather like outside? What's the weather like outside? Let's see. Today it's this is the sun. Yes, this is the sun. So it's sunny. See? It's sunny. Sunny. Very good. It's sunny. Now, what is this? This is a cloud. Cloud. Very good. It's a cloud. And it's cloudy. Cloudy. Very good. Now, what is this? Look, the cloud is blowing wind. It's windy. 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 Very good. It's windy. Now it's we can't see anything. We can't see anything. It's foggy. Foggy. Very good. It's foggy. Good job. Now, what do we have? Now we have, what's this? This is a rainbow. 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 Yes, look. Very colorful rainbow. What colors are in this rainbow? We have orange, light orange. It should be red, I think. Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, blue, and purple. Purple, very good. It's not a very colorful rainbow. Okay, this is a raindrop. When we start to get raindrops, it's going to rain. It's rainy. Yes, it's rainy. We're getting wet. Very good. It's rainy. Now we have a snowflake. Snowflake. And it's snowy. Snowy. Very good. Snowy. Okay, so snowy, rainy, rainy, foggy, foggy, windy, windy, cloudy, cloudy, and finally sunny. Sunny like today. Very good. Like today. Okay. Now, let's review the parts of the day. Okay. When the sun, when the sun, here we go. Okay. When the sun wakes up, it's morning. Morning. When the sun is up, it's afternoon. Afternoon. When the sun sets, it goes to sleep, goes bye-bye, it is evening. Evening. And finally, we go to sleep. It's night. Night. Very good. morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, what's this? Afternoon. This, evening, night, and morning. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. Now, what season is this? When it's cold, It's winter. Winter. Very good. In winter, it is cold. Yes, it's cold. It snows. The trees have no leaves. Yes, they have no more leaves. Okay. We can build. What can we do during winter? We can build a snowman. Yes, a snowman. What's this? It's a scarf. What color is this scarf? Red. Very good. It's red. And this one? It's a hat. What color is this hat? It's black. Yes, black. Okay. These are buttons. Very good, buttons. And his nose is a carrot. It's a carrot, yes. Okay. Because it's cold, we have to wear a big jacket. What color is this jacket? It's light blue. Very good, light blue. And we wear a scarf. What color is this scarf? It's purple. Very good, purple. We wear a hat. This hat is green. Very good. And we wear mittens. What color are these mittens? They're green. Yes, they're green. And we also wear boots. And these boots are purple. Yes, purple. Okay, now we can skate during winter, or we can ski. Yes, we can ski like Santa. Very good. Some animals go to sleep during the winter. They hibernate, which means sleep. Okay, what animals are these? This is a porcupine. Very good, porcupine. This is a skunk. Ooh, skunk. Okay, this one is a bear. Okay, B for bear. And this one is a squirrel, and a turtle. Very good. All of these animals go to sleep. Yes, they go to sleep during the winter. They hibernate. Very good. See? They're sleeping. Night. Okay. So all of these animals like to go to sleep. Very good. Let's do our alphabet. Okay? Let's do the alphabet. The A says ah. The A says ah. Every letter makes a sound. The A says ah. And the B says b. The B says b. See? Every letter makes a sound. The B says b. The C says k. The C says k. See? Every letter makes a sound. The C says k. The D says d. The D says d. Like drums. Makes a sound. The D says D. The E says ah. The E says ah.
Every
See?
letter makes a sound. The
Egg.
E says
Egg. Ah. The F says f. The F says f. Like
every
fly.
letter makes a sound. The
Fly.
F says
The G says g. The G says g. Every letter makes a sound. The G says g. H says the H says like
every
hot.
letter makes a
It's
sound. The
hot.
H says
Or hungry. Hungry. The I says it. The I says it. Every letter makes a sound. The I says it. Very good. The J says j. The J says j. Every letter makes a sound. The J says j. Jump. Jump.
K.
The K says k. The K says karate.
Every letter makes
Karate.
a sound. The K
Koala.
says
Karate.
L.
The L says oh. The L says oh.
Every
Lollipop.
letter makes a sound.
Llama
The L
says lollipop. See? Oh. The M says mmm. The M says mmm.
Every letter
See?
makes a
What do
sound.
we have?
M says
Mmm.
the N
Says mmm. The N says mmm.
every
Every letter makes a sound. The N says mmm.
What?
The O says ah. The O says ah. Every letter makes a sound. The O says ah. The P says. The P says. See?
Every letter
Popcorn.
makes a sound. The
Popcorn
P
says.
Now let's review.
The Q says quack. The Q says quack.
Every
Letter makes a sound. The Q says quack. R. The R says The R says like race or run says The S says. The S says see spider,
Every
snake.
letter makes a sound.
The S says T. The T says T. The T, see?
Says.
T and
Every
tomato.
letter makes a sound. The T
T says T.
The
U says ah. Umbrella.
The U says
Ah. Every letter makes a sound. The U says ah. Umbrella. Says Valentine's.
says
Every letter makes a sound. The V says Valentine's.
W. When I play it over here,
The room it starts to shake. In my hand, what I found is the sound that you make. What, 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 what. See? What?
this learning hard stuff
Very good. W for
You are
water.
Don't you know? It's
Or
time
you're
for us to
welcome.
go.
this lesson. It is through.
What's
The sound of a W. What?
W?
The X says X. The X says X. See?
Every letter
Makes a sound. X-ray. X-ray. The Y says yeah.
The
Yes.
Y says
Every letter makes a sound. The Y says yay. Yes.
lullaby.
Z, Z, Z. Catch some Z's when good night. Z is your sound. So go to sleep, my little one. Very good. Okay, guys, we are finished. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. A big kiss. Bye. Bye.